God. This is delicious. Look at you. What is her name again?
That's Tabitha.
Tabitha. Wow. Tabitha the Sphynx. Boy, she's adorable. Look at those wrinkles. Oh, and she's affectionate. Oh my God. She feels just like skin. Oh, look at her go. She's headbutting. You're headbutting. This is Tabitha, the little Sphynx cat. She just had surgery. She was spayed. And today she's feeling better. She's finally out of her little cover. And she's a glory cat. Look at her. There's her fix. There's where she was fixed. Look at her. Oh God, she's in my hand. Look at this. Look at this delicious girl. Isn't she amazing?
No, don't worry about it.
Well, you Sphynx lovers, eat your hearts out. Eat your hearts out. Oh, you lost half your feather, silly girl. You lost half your feather. Guys, you want this. You know you want this cat. You want this cat. Yes, you do. She's darling. She's darling.